Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the types of clustering. In previous video, we have discussed about the what is clustering, how the clustering is done, and what are the techniques which is used to do the clustering. That things already we have discussed previous video. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the types of clustering. The types of clustering is divided based on the data set. There are two types of clusterings are there: partitional algorithm clustering and hierarchical algorithm clustering. The partitional algorithm, which is basically used to construct various partitions, and after converting the partitions, we can do the evaluation. The evaluation, it will be done based on some criterion or based on the usage purpose. Then hierarchical algorithm. This hierarchical algorithm, it is used to create a hierarchical decomposition of the set of objects. That set of objects decomposition is done with some criterion. The hierarchical, it is easy to understand. The root level will be there and the bottom leaf layer will be there. From the leaf layer, we can go to the root. This will be in the form of tree structure. Also, it is easy to understand it. Then, a partitional clustering. Partitional clustering is used to partition the data set based on the data which is available. Then, dendrogram, this is a kind of tool which is useful for summarizing the similarity measures. This will use the hierarchical clustering. The root will be there, then the terminal branches which will be used to connect the leaf node in the hierarchical structure. Then also it will, if two nodes are connected, then the internal nodes it will be connected with the internal branches. Then it will be get connected with the terminal branches. The similarity between two objects in a dendrogram is represented as the height of a lowest internal node they share. This is the example of hierarchical clustering. If we begin with a distance matrix, then it contains the distance between the each pair of attributes in the database. Here you can consider this 5 objects, both rows and columns. If both the objects are matching, then it will be replaced with value 0, and like that it is diagonally it is placed. Then if we see this green with this pink dot, then it will be replaced with the value 8. Like that the value is filled here. The hierarchical clustering is used to categorize and filter out the values in this way. In the bottom up agglomerative, this will be used to start with the own cluster, and it will lead to find the pair to merge into a new cluster. You can consider this bottom layer, all possible merges also it is done. And after that, if we having two similar objects, that similar object it is combined and it will be grouped in a single group. And here also it is the red color dot is there. So here it is merging is done again. And this is the hierarchical structure finally which is constructed with a agglomerative algorithm. The partitional clustering, and this is a non-hierarchical. In this, the instance is placed in exactly in the k non-overlapping clusters. Since the one set of cluster output, it will be normally the input for the next cluster. So some of the references. Thank you.